Welcome to our channel IYALGURU. Today we are going to see top 20 MCQs from class 9 science chapter 3 atoms and molecules. Let's start the quiz. First quiz. What is the smallest particle of an element that retains its chemical properties? Option A, molecule. Option B, atom. Option C, ion. And option D, compound. The correct answer is option B, atom. Second case. The law of conservation of mass states that during a chemical reaction, option A, mass is created, option B, mass is destroyed, option C, total mass remain unchanged, option D, mass reduces by half. The correct answer is option C, total mass remain unchanged. Third case. A molecule is defined as option A, a single atom, option B, the smallest particle capable of independent existence, option C, a chemical bond, option D, an ionic compound. The correct answer is option B, the smallest particle capable of independent existence. Fourth case. Which law states that elements in a pure compound are always present in a definite proportions? Option A, law of multiple proportions. Option B, law of conservation of mass. Option C, law of definite proportions. And option D, Avogadro's law. The correct answer is option C, law of definite proportions. Fifth case. Polyatomic ions are option A, single atoms, option B, cluster of atoms with a fixed charge, option C, molecular compounds, option D, pure elements. The correct answer is option B, cluster of atoms with a fixed charge. Sixth case. The chemical formula of a molecular compound is determined by option A, atomic weight, option B, valency, option C, molecular mass, option D, electron configuration. The correct answer is option B, valency. Seventh case. In ionic compounds, the chemical formula is determined by option A, atomic mass, option B, electron configuration, option C, charge on each ion, option D, molecular weight. The correct answer is option C, charge on each ion. Eighth case. An ion is option A, a neutral particle, option B, a charged atom or molecule, option C, a molecular compound, option D, a pure element. The correct answer is option B, a charged atom or molecule. Ninth case. The smallest particle of a compound that shows all its properties is option A, an atom, option B, an ion, option C, a molecule, option D, a radical. The correct answer is option C, a molecule. 10th quiz. Which statement best describes the law of conservation of mass? Option A. Mass can be created or destroyed. Option B. Mass changes during chemical reactions. Option C. Total mass remain constant in a chemical reaction. Option D. Mass depends on temperature. The correct answer is option C. Total mass remain constant in a chemical reaction. 11th case. A chemical formula shows option A the physical properties of a compound, option B the constituent elements and their atomic numbers, option C the number of atoms of each element, option D the molecular weight. The correct answer is option C the number of atoms of each element. 12th quiz. Valency represents option A the weight of an atom, option B the containing capacity of an element, option C the number of electrons, option D the atomic radius. The correct answer is the containing capacity of an element. 13th quiz. Which of the following is not a polyatomic ion? Option A sulfate, option B nitrate, option C sodium, option D carbonate. The correct answer is option C sodium. 14th case. The chemical formula helps to understand option A physical appearance, option B composition of a compound, option C melting point, option D electrical conductivity. The correct answer is option B composition of a compound. 15th case. An element's atomic structure is primarily determined by option A number of neutrons, option B number of protons, option C number of electrons, option D molecular weight. The correct answer is option B number of protons. 16th case. What characterizes a pure chemical compound? Option A variable composition, option B random element proportions, option C definite proportions of elements, option D changing chemical properties. The correct answer is option C definite proportions of elements. 17th case. Molecular compounds are formed by option A ionic bonding, option B covalent bonding, option C metallic bonding, option D hydrogen bonding. The correct answer is option B covalent bonding. 18th case. The charge on polyatomic ions is option A variable, option B always changing, option C fixed, option D 0. The correct answer is option C fixed. 19th case. Chemical formulas help in option A to determining color, option B understanding composition. Option C, measuring temperature. Option D, predicting taste. The correct answer is option B, understanding composition. 20th quiz. An atom becomes an ion when it, option A, gain or loses electron. Option B, changes its nucleus. Option C, increases its mass. Option D, reduces its volume. The correct answer is option A, gain or loses electron. Please give star rating for my latest book available in Amazon Kindle. Please go to description of this video and click the link to directly go to review page and give a star rating, and you can also write a short review. Thank you.